Hello and welcome to Practical Web Components Quickly. My name is Rushabh Murad Shah, and I will be your mentor on this journey of learning HTML's fascinating feature, web components. So before we dive into the course content, let me quickly introduce myself. I promise it won't be long. I'm currently one of the founding members and a UI developer of an exciting startup called Eugenie.ai in Mumbai. I have close to 4.5 years of experience in the web development industry, where I work with some prominent clients like EY, P&G, Colgate Palmolive, Indian Navy, amongst many others. I'm also a mentor slash curator at Grey Atom School, where I teach undergrads and industry beginners the ropes of front end web development. I'm super passionate about the latest in web tech, football, and writing. You can get in touch with me on LinkedIn by searching my name or searching my company name, Eugenie.ai. So now let's take a look at what we will cover in this course. Before that, let me quickly introduce you to the need for web components. At the time of this recording, there are close to 20,080 registered websites using web components on a daily level, with the numbers set to nothing but increase. Web components resolve the most chronic problem every web developer faces: how not to write unnecessary repetitive codes. Our course is divided into four short sections. We will kickstart our journey with the very first section, which is building our first web component, where we will learn the three important ingredients to build a web component before creating our very first web component, a block card. We will be making a component dynamic, and we will also be adding some cool styles to our component so that it looks like this. After that, we will explore the world of events and how to make a component listen to events. We will be making a second web component called as blog modal, and we will be introducing that to our web application. In the final and the fourth section, we will enter into the world of the three of the most popular front-end libraries in the world: Vue, React, and AngularJS, and we will be adding our web components to Vue, React, and Angular. To follow along and make the most out of this course, you need to have a laptop or a machine with either Windows, Linux, or Macintosh OS as the operating system. Since we are working on web applications, it's very important that you need a browser from Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Although on a personal note, I would highly recommend using Google Chrome. Next, although you can write a web application or a web component using even a simple notepad, I would urge you to download Visual Studio Code, which should make coding much simpler. You need to have Node.js installed in your system with this particular version 12.13.0 or higher. Of course, you need to have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, especially ES6. And finally, the entire journey will be much simpler if you have a truckload of passion in creating and learning one of the most amazing features provided by HTML. This course will help you develop your own custom web components that you can use in all your future projects, irrespective of the library and the tech stack. You can build simple, effective, and dynamic web components like modals, cards, and backdrops, which can be used in any application whatsoever. You can leverage the magic of HTML and JavaScript, and with that, you'll be saving a lot of time by not writing unnecessary code. And finally, you can create future ready and future proof web components, which are basically the next level of HTML. So, on that note, let's kick off our journey on learning practical web components